Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2. And today I didn't do any plans, I will just go with the flow and we will see the rest of the Belgrade together and I will show you my breakfast.
What the is that?
Yep. It's okay. I think it will give me all the energy that I need until lunch. Let's see. And I'm watching RuPaul's Drag Race All Stars 10 episode 3. That's amazing because I love watching new episodes. It's just like I'm happy about it. Yesterday I called the elevator at night and the door didn't open. That's why I walked up to the 5th floor and now I guess from now on it will be elevator free. Let's see. Right now it's 14 degrees and where I live is at the moment 25 degrees, so it's very cold for me. Today we are gonna go to Contemporary Art Museum. Ah, that beautiful park again. I've seen a lot of cars parking like this. So pretty, so green. I love it. I will try to record myself. I will pretend like I'm walking. See another thing. I felt like I was redoing a Britney video. By the way, please don't think that I'm making fun of her. I really love her and she is happy the way she expresses herself with these dance videos. That's why I'm so happy for her. I'm trying not to listen music and in my brain all I hear is like social media songs, like Instagram songs. Now I can clearly like hum meow 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 meow. So peaceful. So I'm on my way to somewhere called Bad Ramen. Even the toilet is different. I ordered the chicken one, basic chicken one. Let's try.
What the f is that?
It was very good. We are on our way to have some coffee again. Since this is a cookie place, I just want to have Americano and one of their cookies. Or maybe a cinnamon roll cookie or something. Let's see. It's amazing. And fortress was really good. Now by the entrance of the fortress there's a park, and in this park there's a festival, and I will show it to you. Let's see it together. Okay, let's go. Oof, it smells amazing. So good. Hi guys, I just came back to the room and the elevator was broken. That's why I had to climb, and I'm so tired. This is kind of funny because the previous people who stayed in this room also they were Turkish. Now we are on our way to a special event. And we almost got stuck in the elevator. But nothing happened, no worries. Almost, because it stopped. But we are here and nothing happened. So everything is fine. Hey, we came to the club. Now this is the bathroom. This is like gender neutral bathroom. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Cupid's arrows just for you. I even painted my toenails for you the other day. Love, go a minute without your love.
The weather is amazing. So blue. I'm so happy that they fixed the elevator. Look at this. By the way, do you remember I told that the weather was good? Look at it now. and I don't have any umbrella with me, so I hope I will not be wet. 2.5 euros. Again, I wore my museum shoes. Wow. Look at this microscope. It's raining. And I don't even have a jacket. It's matching with the theme, by the way. It's raining. I found a place for lunch. Actually, it's like late lunch at this point, but yeah, I'm on my way to that. I ordered kebab and soup. By the way, it's so crowded and I don't want to show people, so I will show like this. Soap has arrived and I can't wait to try this. It is amazing. Normally I'm not a fan, but it's amazing. By the way, this is sour. I thought this was like usual sweet lemonade, but this is like so sour, 0 sugar. Alright, let's eat. Alright, I found here from Google Maps and I'm gonna drink coffee here. Yes, now it's dinner time. So while we order, they don't speak English. We don't speak Serbian, and somehow, with the help of Google Translate, we were able to communicate, and soon we will try the food together. It took 20 minutes to pay, but it was so tasty. I definitely recommend it. Here for a late night snack, and here are the stuff. I will tell you what I will order. He told me to feel the meat, that's why I don't put more stuff in it. So I didn't, and I listened to him. And I'm listening to him and feeling the meat, and it feels great. So this has extra cheese with the meat. Sorry, camera is here. That's why it was extra better. Hi, this is the last day and I'm doing the checkout and elevator. is broken again. Spectacular timing. Now I came to my friend's house and we are gonna do the shopping for the last time and then I will be on my way to airport. And this is his house. Isn't it so cool? Look at here, look at here. So cool, oh my god. On the Russian market and now we are in there. And I'm getting some stuff because I love Russian products and they have a lot of stuff. So when I wanted to pay in this Russian market, they didn't have credit card. That's why I had to run and find an ATM and I took some money from my credit card. Hey, I think added commission for like $10 and yeah, but it was still an adventure if you ask me because I got really cool stuff. So that's why I'm happy. Soon I will be on my way to airport and yes. So luckily I have a friend in here and he let me have this luggage. And it's full of the stuff that I got from supermarket. And this was the one that I came here with. So I'm going back with two. So they did not let me drink my water. They just took it and threw it. I don't know if I should do the closing here, but thanks so much for watching the video. Thanks so much for being my friend and just thank you. See you in the other video.